Biscuit. Biscuit. No, don't eat the box. Biscuit, don't eat the box. As you can tell, my black calico is chewing on the box, holding the carbon fiber front lip to the GTR. Let's grab a knife and let's open this before my cat decides to open it for me. Hey, quit eating the box! Hey, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. And we got our knife. As you can tell, I had to get my knife because my cat over there is very anxious to open this box. So let's get to cutting this tape and let's see what the new carbon fiber front lip to the GTR looks like. All right. Oh, we got one more over here. All right, let's open this bad boy up, see what we got in here, folks. Woohoo! Look at this. Look at this. What they give me here? EPF International microfiber. Cool. Put that off to the side. Push this over here. Well, look at this, folks. Wow, that looks pretty freaking. That looks packaged pretty well, doesn't it? All right. All right. Well, let's see if we can get through this without trying to hack it up too much, because I have to get this to the speed shop so that the speed shop can, you know, install it on the car while it's on the lift, and I don't have to mess with it when I get the car home. And if you guys did not know, I bought this mainly because Shelby and I were driving home last year, and a raccoon ran out in front of us on the dirt road, and we hit him at about 25 miles an hour, and it broke a couple clips on the front of the front lip. So, very well, if I gotta replace it, might as well go carbon, right? Let's get in there. Woo, here we go. All right. I'm making headway. All right. These I think I'm gonna cut. Come over here, come a little closer. Let's see what we got here. Woo! What is that, boys and girls? Oh, that is the carbon of the fibers right there, folks. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, you can smell that resin curing process. Oh, man, this is so cool. Oh, man, this is great. All right, tell you what, let me get the rest of the wrapping off and we'll cut back and show what it looks like. All right, you guys, check it out. We got it out of the box. Is that pretty sharp or what? Huh? All carbon, front and back, no fiberglass. Looks like really good quality. I'm pretty happy with it. The weave looks pretty nice. I'll bring it a little bit closer so you guys can see the weave. What do you think, huh? Per day. Yeah, we got to get some more carbon fiber for the GTR, you guys. This is the very first piece. And now we'll have to get side skirts and the back piece for it. But in time, we had to at least get this to repair the piece that was broken on the car. So, well, hey, if you guys enjoyed this video of us unboxing this new carbon fiber front lip for the GTR, give us a like, smash that subscribe, and I will be bringing you more GTR content, hopefully soon, when we get the car back. Peace, everybody.